Hey guys, it's Arjun the Tech Reviewer here, back with another video. Today I will be doing a room tour since a few people have requested it. So this is how it's gonna go. I'll show you guys the different areas of the room. And actually, hold on one second. So, right here we have the charging station where I keep all my electronics here. I've got my tablet, I've got my Samsung wireless charger here for my S5, even though it doesn't exactly support wireless charging. I kind of modded it for that. I have my Google Home here. I've got some other miscellaneous stuff. I've got a fan to keep me cool at night and another fan as well. And I've got here a wireless charger that that works with that pad over there, and that's how I charge my S5 with that. And what other thing we have over here is the wannabe Apple AirPods. And yeah, this is also over here. I've got my secondary phone, which is right here. This is always here. And I've got a charger for my Samsung Gear S2, which I absolutely love using. So now let's go down a little bit. And here we have, let's zoom in a little bit. So here we have all the charging bricks with the power strip, and I also have over here another cord, another strip, and down here I have my HP laptop, which isn't exactly the greatest, but it works. And then underneath the bed we actually have, I'll show you guys up here. I'll show you guys. So here we have a Razer keyboard. I'm not 100% sure on what this is because my friend gave it to me. Actually, this is what the name of it is. Black Widow Chroma Stealth. And I haven't used it, but it's a pretty... Actually, I have used it once. It's a pretty awesome keyboard. My friend actually gave me that because he had it. He got a newer keyboard. So now let me raise you guys back up, and here we have some other miscellaneous stuff. I don't want to show off too much, but here we have my JBL speaker, a flashlight, my DS Lite, I have my DSi here, my DSi XL actually. Pretty fun units. I've got other stuff up here. Then I've got underneath this stuff, I have two mice, and right here I have a Toshiba external hard drive, and this right here is a second tablet that I have. The screen's busted on it, but the digitizer doesn't work, so I can't physically touch it, but that's why I have the mouse here for that. And then we have my third phone I use. I haven't used it because the battery on it heats up so bad that it just like burns through the battery, so I don't use it that often. So there's that. Then I have my fourth phone, my fourth phone that I actually have. This is a Samsung Galaxy Admire, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that. Actually, let me see if it says it on here. No. It doesn't say it on the phone. And then underneath this box, we have my third tablet, which I'm not 100% sure on the story with that. And I also have another tripod, which is pretty decent. It works. I like it, but I like the one I'm currently using right now. So down here, we have all my Xbox 360 games, and yes, I still have an Xbox 360. All of these games. And if anybody has an Xbox 360 that would like to add me on Xbox, just let me know in the comments down below. And yes, here's my Xbox 360. Let me see if I can get... Can't really show you guys because it's really... Yeah, it's there. And now we get onto here, and here we have my fan, which is controlled by smart outlet, which is there. Got my two light bulbs that were originally from my light. I got some more paperwork over there, and I've got 3 Apple accessories, which if any of you want, please let me know, because I really want to get rid of these, so I don't need them. And here I have my 2 Xbox 360 controllers. Got the power brick for it. And here we have just some wires. Then I have an Apple, I believe it's called an Apple Powerhouse, or an Apple Power something G5, and this thing's a massive beast. It takes a lot of watts to power this machine, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside of this. show you guys. So I'll show you guys, actually hold on one second. So here we have a NVIDIA GeForce. I'm not sure what the model is of it. We got a lot of equipment in here. Then we've got the RAM down here. And we've got the hard drive location right at the top here, and then some more RAM mods, then some more PCI slots for this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the back. The sad thing is I can't power this on, so I can't show you guys what I can power it on, but there's no operating system to show you guys how it works and all that. I can't really. So here's the back of it. Let me fix you guys. And that's the back of that's the inside of the my Apple computer that I haven't used. Then I have my closet, which is just filled with a whole bunch of clothing. And then I have my backpack, my shoes, and the place where I sleep, of course. And that's basically it. That's my whole entire room right here. Well, yeah, that's my whole room. So now I'm gonna upload this for you guys, so you guys can check it out. All right, bye. See you guys in the next video.